A magical encounter, unveiling its charm in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often captivates the imagination: a magical encounter. Stick around as we explore its meaning, usage, and how it can add a sprinkle of magic to your English conversations. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in your English journey, understanding such expressions can truly enhance your language skills. At its core, a magical encounter refers to a meeting or experience that is enchanting, extraordinary, or profoundly impactful in a way that feels almost magical. This phrase isn't just about literal magic. It's about capturing those rare moments in life that leave a lasting impression, often due to their beauty, uniqueness, or emotional depth. A magical encounter can be used in various contexts: personal experiences, sharing memorable moments, such as meeting someone who changes your life in a positive way or experiencing something new and breathtaking. Storytelling, in narratives, describing a pivotal moment that adds a layer of wonder or mystery to the tale. Expressing appreciation, when reflecting on an experience or meeting that had a significant positive impact on your life. Examples in sentences: visiting the ancient ruins at dawn was truly a magical encounter. The moment our eyes met, I knew it was a magical encounter that I would never forget. Learning and using expressions like a magical encounter can significantly enrich your English vocabulary and conversational skills. It allows you to express emotions and experiences more vividly, making your communication more engaging and relatable. Moreover, understanding such phrases helps in comprehending the cultural and emotional nuances of the English language, which is crucial for effective communication. We hope this exploration of a magical encounter has added a little bit of magic to your day and your English learning journey. Such phrases not only beautify your language but also deepen your connection with your experiences and those you share them with. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to incorporate these magical expressions into your conversations. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning tips. Until next time, keep learning and stay magical.